Christians, I'd like to deliver a motivation speech by the title, Don't Complain. We all have expectations for the future. We all worry about the future. I tell you, I like to know a lot of famous people. Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg, Larry Page, I know all of them, and I want to share with you that those people, the difference between people, those people and other people, they're always optimists for the future. They never complain. They always try to solve the problems of the other people. The best is that you have. You are young. Don't complain. Let the other people complain. Those people complain. Those people will fail. And do not say